Good morning, children. Welcome back to St. Joseph School, Vijaypur. In last month, we had completed our SST syllabus first semester. Now, today we start our second semester, lesson number 9, the story of evolution of early man. Now, in this lesson, we shall study about the story of evolution of early man. In this lesson, we shall study about early man and his life, discovery of fire and invention of the wheel. In this lesson, we shall study about early man and his life. Early man and his life, discover of fire and invention of the wheel. In this lesson, we should read about discover of fire and invention of the wheel. First we read, early man lived thousands of years ago. He resembled an ape in appearance and behavior. He found shelter in caves and on trees and ate wild berries, fruits and nuts, tender plants and even small animals also. He was thus known as hunter-gatherer. He used big leaves and animal skin as clothes to cover and protect his body from bad weather and animals. Early man lived thousands of years ago. He lived in a caves and he ate wild fruits and nuts. He lived in a caves. He lived in a caves. Early man lived in a caves and he ate fruits, small animals. He used big leaves. He used big leaves cover his body and he scraping skin of animals. He used leaves from clothes and animal skin also he used. Next one is evolution of man. Evolution of man. With the time, man passed through different stages of development, learning to safety his basic needs such as hunger, thirsty, and self-protection. These gradual changes are called the evolution of man. Day by day, the early man was changed. Day by day, the early man was changed his life. These gradual changes are called the evolution of man. These all gradual changes are called evolution of the early man. He used some tools. Early man must have first felt the need to develop tools to protect himself from animals or to kill them for food. Earlier, he would use pieces of stone with sharp edge, but later learned to sharpen stone to make tools. These were greatly useful in cutting animals' flesh or scraping of animal skin to use as clothes. He also learned to fit pointed stones on wooden rods and made spears for hunting. As most of the tools were made of stone, this period came to be known as the Stone Age because the early man used tools of using stones. So this period is called Stone Age. For hunting of animals he used stones. They used these tools to cut food including meat also from large animals and small animals also. The early man scraped the animal's skin to wear a clothes. He is scraping the animal's skin to using a sharp edge tools of stones. Next one is he discover of fire. Remarkable invention and discovery. One wonders how fire was discovered. How he fire how he was discovered the fire. A possible forest fire caused by lightning could have been his first experience of this intense heat of fire. He saw the forest in the fire will be going on. So the first time he was saw the fire. Early man observed the sparks as he tried to sharpen stones to make his tools and implements. He learned that he too, too could create fire. It could provide him warmth in the bitter cold and cook meat, but it could also burn himself. He was not careful. Discovery of fire was militants in development of human life. By rubbing two pieces of stones against, he got the fire, and he progressed creative fires from human learned burning fire and cooking the food also. He started use fire to protect himself from wild animals. Forest fires also helped him understand that it was necessary to keep adding dry leaves and wood to keep the fire going on. He was use fire to protect himself from wild animals, because the wild animals are eating the early man. So the early man was use the fire to protect himself from wild animals. Also he used dry leaves. He used to make a fire dry leaves, wood. He used also wood, the fire going on. He used dry leaves and wood also he used the fire. So this fire was very important for early man. See children, once again you have to be see these videos and read how the early man was got the fire and what are the uses of fire of early man. So once again see these videos carefully and open your textbook and read the textbook once again. So thank you children.